Study the following pie chart carefully and answer the question that follows. This is the degree-wise breakup of expenditure of a family in a month. This is represented as a pie chart, meaning a pie chart can be expressed in terms of angles, degrees, where all the degrees should add up to 360, or it could also be expressed in terms of percentages, where all the percentages will add up to 100. We know that. Now, what is the total amount spent by the family on entertainment and loan EMI together? Okay, entertainment would be this one and loan EMI would be this one. What is that? 36 degrees plus 68.4 degrees. What is the total? 104.4 degrees. Correct. Now the question is, how much is this? See, the entire pie chart is 360 degrees. 360 degrees represents 45,800, right? How much would 104.4 degrees represent? That is the question. So I can simply do 104.4 by 360 into 45,800, right? What does it give us? 3 120s, 3 34.8, right? 3 40s, 3 11.6, 40 2s are 80, 36 2.9. So I have 0.29 into 45,800, right? So this is, I can say 29% of 45,800, right? 29% of 45,800. Okay, let's find 30% first. 30% is 0.3 into 45,800. 0.3 into 40,000 is 12,000, right? 0.3 into 5,800 is 1740. So that gives me 13740. That's, don't be in a hurry, that's 30%, but I'm interested in only 29%. What is 1% of that? Minus 458, right? Something like 500 approximately. 13,740 minus 500 something would be 13,282. That would be option 2, right? Next question. Study the following pie chart. It's the same pie chart again. What is the ratio of the amount spent by the family on medical expenses to the amount spent on groceries? Okay, medical expenses, how much are we spending? 39.6 by 360 into 45,800. And what about groceries? 82.8 by 360 into 45,800. We can see that by 360 into 45,800 is common to both. So we might as well just take the ratio of the angles, right? 39.6 is to 82.8. So what is that? I can see 3 divides them. 13.2 is to 27.6. 132 is to 276. 44 is to 92. 11 is to 23. 4 11s, 4 23s. So that would be option 4. Really, we're not calculating the actual values. We're just taking the ratio of the angles, because the expenditure should be proportional to the angle degree.